Hello everyone, welcome back my channel. Today's topic is CRDMOs, Contract Research, Development, and Manufacturing Organization. In this video, we will understand what exactly a CRDMO is, how it works, why pharmaceutical companies use CRDMO partners, the difference between CRO, CDMO, and CRDMO, and why this sector is considered one of the fastest growing areas in pharma. So, let's begin. What is a CRDMO? CRDMO stands for Contract Research, Development, and Manufacturing Organization. A CRDMO is a specialized pharmaceutical service provider that supports companies throughout the entire drug development journey from early-stage research to commercial manufacturing, instead of a pharmaceutical company handling every step internally. It can outsource certain activities to a CRDMO partner that has specialized expertise, technology platforms, laboratories, manufacturing facilities, and regulatory experience. In simple words, a CRDMO acts as an extension of a pharmaceutical company's own research and manufacturing team. They help transform a scientific idea or drug candidate into a commercially available medicine. Understanding the role of CRDMO in drug development. 1. Contract research. The first stage is research. CRDMOs provide services such as drug discovery support, target identification, lead molecule optimization, analytical research, preclinical studies, bioanalytical testing. At this stage, scientists work to identify promising molecules that could potentially become future medicines. 2. Contract development. Once a promising molecule is identified, the next step is development. CRDMOs help with formulation development, process development, analytical method development, stability studies, scale-up studies, regulatory documentation support. The goal is to develop a stable, safe, and effective drug product suitable for clinical trials and future commercialization. 3. Contract manufacturing. After successful development, the medicine needs to be manufactured. CRDMOs provide manufacturing capabilities including clinical trial material production, commercial-scale manufacturing, active pharmaceutical ingredient, API, manufacturing, finished dosage manufacturing, packaging and supply chain support. Manufacturing must follow strict quality standards such as good manufacturing practices, GMP, established by regulatory authorities. Difference between CRO, CDMO, and CRDMO. CRO, Contract Research Organization. A CRO mainly focuses on research activities, examples, clinical trials, data management, pharmacovigilance, regulatory support. CDMO, Contract Development and Manufacturing Organization. A CDMO focuses mainly on drug development, process optimization, manufacturing. CRDMO, Contract Research, Development, and Manufacturing Organization. A CRDMO combines both models. It provides research development manufacturing. This integrated approach allows pharmaceutical companies to work with a single partner from early discovery to commercial production. Why are CRDMOs growing rapidly? The global CRDMO market is expanding because of several important factors. 1. Rising cost of drug development. Developing a new medicine requires billions of dollars and many years of research. Outsourcing helps companies reduce infrastructure costs and access specialized expertise. 2. Increasing complexity of medicines. Modern therapies such as biological medicines, gene therapies, cell therapies, highly potent drugs, require advanced technologies and specialized manufacturing facilities. CRDMOs help companies access these capabilities. 3. Focus on innovation. Large pharmaceutical companies increasingly focus on discovering new medicines while outsourcing development and manufacturing activities to expert partners, for faster time to market. Working with experienced CRDMOs can help accelerate development timelines and improve supply reliability. Major CRDMO companies globally. Some well-known global companies operating in this space include Lonza, Wuxi Aptech, Samsung Biologics, Catalent, Thermo Fisher Scientific. India is also becoming an important hub for pharmaceutical outsourcing, with several companies expanding their CRDMO capabilities. CRDMO opportunities in India. India has several advantages that make it attractive for CRDMO services. strong pharmaceutical manufacturing expertise, large pool of scientific talent, cost. Effective operations, growing regulatory capabilities, experience in generic and specialty medicines. Indian companies are increasingly investing in API development, novel drug development, biologics manufacturing. Complex formulations, global regulatory compliance, challenges faced by CRDMOs. Although the sector has strong growth potential, CRDMOs also face challenges, maintaining strict quality standards, regulatory compliance across multiple countries, protecting intellectual property, managing complex supply chains, high investment requirements. Success depends on scientific expertise, technology, quality systems, and regulatory excellence. To summarize, a CRDMO contract research, development, and manufacturing organization provides an integrated solution for pharmaceutical companies by supporting drug discovery, development, and manufacturing under one platform. As drug development becomes more complex and expensive, CRDMOs are becoming essential partners in bringing innovative medicines from the laboratory to patients. The future of pharma will not only depend on discovering new molecules but also on having reliable partners who can efficiently develop and manufacture these medicines. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on pharmaceutical industry trends, drug regulations, biotechnology, and healthcare innovations. Thank you for watching.